Go outside for this one.
All right, guys. What's the new project now? What are you trying to do now?
This is to see how many smacks it takes to open this.
Can we try to open it up professionally first before you start breaking stuff?
No.
All right, let's see what's inside of. We just opened up. If you guys saw my last video, we were just opening up these wireless power bank and this charging.
So
now we're gonna
to open
up
this one professionally, you have to go into the sides. However, these are glued shut.
All right, so let's put some alcohol and some heat and see how we can get this stuff opening up. The people want to see what's inside of their wireless cube, charging cube. Let's see what's in there.
I bet $10 that he cannot open that thing.
You bet $10 that I can't open this thing?
Yeah, not properly.
Properly or improperly?
Properly.
Properly?
Improperly, you can do a bunch of things.
Oh, yeah. But improper is the fun way of doing that.
We just need to we just want to see what's inside. I would think it's like well, obviously there's going to be a transformer to convert the 120 volts into 12 volts DC. So since it's a 20-watt charger, I would think it's a
these
pretty
are glued
big,
shut, aren't they?
pretty big,
these are glued shut.
pretty big transformer in there for it to transmit 20 watts, output. They also, have the Type C.
Damn, this thing is hard. This thing is glued shut very
It's
well.
glued shut. It wasn't meant to be open, that's why. It was just meant to be.
We'll find a way.
Yeah, well, we always find a way.
You want to know what the way is?
The way is eventually you're going to start cutting the plastic open.
Yeah. Damn, bro. This thing is in there.
Yeah, it's pretty much glued on there for it. Nobody really is going to open a charging cube to go repair it. So when it stopped working, you just throw it in the garbage, pretty much.
Oh, I made it inside.
All right, so it's getting there. Oh, well, look at that. Oh boy, we finally got it to crack open a little bit. There you go. Wow.
Yeah. Huh, these ones actually look close to the originals.
All right, let's see what's in there. Let me see.
That's not bad.
Can I take a look? What's in there? That's these. Could you get it open so we could take a better look at how see all the components? All right, this is.
Wow, these are stacked.
Wow.
Damn, that Apple engineering comes in.
Whoa, look
Careful,
at this.
don't electrocute yourself on that.
It's not plugged in, but okay. So this is what's going on. This is what goes into the power, and these are what these two little these two little pins that takes the 120 volts would be actually touching these two little pins right here.
Prongs touch on the inside.
Yeah, that would be touching these two. These two
This
prongs.
is how I turned off the power at N29 the other
And
day.
then this would be like your transformer over here that would convert the power would go into here. That would convert the 120 volts. And
this is 9 volt output.
no, well, this is 9 volts output, but it would convert the 120 volts. Right here we have, wow,
Yeah, you got two big
Pretty-
capacitors on there too.
humongous capacitors for, I wouldn't expect that.
Oh, these are decent.
And then I guess we'll go through your transformer, go through your caps, and then here you get your output where you plug in your Type C charger from. Oh, Interesting.
Type C ports on this one look pretty good. They look like they're harder to break.
All right, guys. So now you see pretty much
Compáralo con uno chimbo.
what.
You want us to compare that to this?
All right,
The
let's
cheapo
let's compare the Type C to one of these. Then let's open up this one.
Can I open this one the wrong way?
Come on, man. Let's open it the right way. Let's see what it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So
I kind of
this is pretty impressive, though. I'm
The
pretty
wrong way.
impressed to see the components on
no me acuerdo por qué la.
on these
No,
new
no,
charger. Looks like.
¿Quién dice? Yeah,
Oh.
if you blink, you'll miss it, man.
Okay, let's do this. He's opening up one
Look
of
at
these
this.
cheap. Oh,
These are cheap.
oh, these are cheap, but look.
These are already burned from the factory. You can tell that cable is rusted. Not literally,
You
though.
see? So this obviously has a transformer as well because it has to convert the.
And it's 2 boards.
This one comes with 2 boards. Yeah.
Yeah,
wait.
one board
This one-
for. Well, one board mostly just has your USB and a little filter for the USB. The other one actually has your transformer and your capacitor. You can tell the difference. It's starking. There's a lot more logic in this one than in the other one too.
Yeah. Well,
No, this
Alright,
is the
guys, so
simplest
now-
design you can have.
pretty much have an idea what inside of your charging cube looks like. So I mean these are repairable actually. I'm not sure if people are gonna
Theoretically.
take the time to really figure out. Usually when this goes bad, right here swells up like a balloon. So these caps, when they go bad, it swells up from the top. And these, well, you're gonna need a voltmeter to test these components to see if they're bad. I mean, not sure if anyone is gonna waste any time to repair this stuff, but since they're not that expensive, but it's repairable. Everything is repairable. All right, guys. So
For the most part, repairable.
now you guys know what's inside of your
$5 cube, $25
$5
cube.
$5 cube and $25 cube. All right, guys. Don't
It's a
forget to
big
hit the subscribe button, support us, give us a like, tell us what else you want us to open up so you can take a look inside of. All right, so see you in the next video.